Strong storm system making its way in later today and into this evening. Two things coming with that. First, heavy rain. Second, stronger winds, which are expected to be gustiest closer to the shoreline due to a southeasterly direction. So you get along the shoreline and especially up at elevation, there is the potential of wind gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour later this afternoon and into this evening. For the time being, it is just clouds continuing to fill in as we go through the morning, with some showers developing either side of midday. And then the steadier, heavier rain that you're seeing there through Pennsylvania down through the mid-Atlantic states starts to move in as we go through the afternoon and into this evening, with the potential of 1 to 2+ inches of rain. These high temperatures likely late in the day and into this evening, and the temperatures themselves actually not expecting to move much overnight. As a matter of fact, we likely linger around in the 50s later on tonight and some mid and upper 40s up north. So while the rain continues to come down, the temperatures will remain fairly mild, and we will likely start that way tomorrow morning, with those being our highs for the day. So some periods of showers starting to develop either side of midday. It will turn heavy through the afternoon and likely a very sloppy evening commute, ponding out there in area roadways, lower visibility, and at the same time the winds will be picking up later on this afternoon, with some gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour later tonight, opening up the possibility of some scattered outages. You will notice the heaviest of the rain starts to pull away after midnight tonight. Still a couple of lingering showers with mostly cloudy skies. There is your mild start to the day tomorrow, with temperatures likely hovering around in the 50s through the day, with some scattered showers under mostly cloudy skies and a breeze out of the southwest. It does start to turn cooler as we work our way into the day Wednesday. Highs by then will be in the 30s to lower 40s. A couple of mixed showers or snow showers will be possible, and then partly sunny skies Thursday, and then the chance with increasing clouds Friday of a passing mixed shower or two by Saturday. So heavier rainfall, and as you can see here, some stronger winds by late in the day and into this evening. Some gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour are a possibility, and maybe 1 or 2 gusts closer to the shoreline over 50 miles an hour later on this evening. That will start to pull away overnight, and we're more down to a generic breeze thereafter starting tomorrow and continuing through Wednesday. So rainfall moving in heaviest from mid-afternoon through about mid-evening tonight, and that's when our strongest winds are expected as well, kind of the height of the storm making its way through. Temperatures won't fall all that much tonight, in the 40s and 50s, and remain in the 50s for the day tomorrow, with clouds and occasional showers. 1 to 2 inches of rain are a possibility. This should likely send a lot of these smaller rivers and streams much higher as we go through the next 24 hours. And there is again the potential of some wind gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour. Temperatures slip after a mild day tomorrow and eventually level off in the 40s for the end of the week.